So this is what we do all day, every day, and twice on Sundays.
Watch Job and Sherline here. We're working on something called a Nissan. Watch it. Let me show you it. Zero emissions. So it's an fully electric vehicle. So I wanna ask Sherline here.
Yeah?
What is this thing on top there? Where is the engine in this vehicle? Show me the engine in this vehicle.
What do you mean engine? There is no engine in the vehicle. It's a fully electric vehicle.
So alright, so everybody, this is not your engine. This is actually an inverter converter, right? It's an inverter converter and cooling system mounted for your motor driver and motor controls, right? So we're going to do some diagnosis of this. It's not charging, it's giving some problems. So we're going to fix this problem here. So here it is. We have the unit open. These are one of the main control boards. So we're going to take a look at this board and we're going to try to get into this board. We have a massive capacitor on this right here. And we have the bus bars and transformers on this side. So we're going to see what's going to go on inside here.
Right, so we have the final product. Yeah, the Leaf is green. Everything works well with it, and Job is showing off.